This is my new cooler. I absolutely love it. I have my wine. I have several different things because not only is this for me, but it's for my family as well. I have sodas, I have water, I have juice, beer, more juice and sodas. And what I like best is that it has two dual. This one is colder, this one is warmer, and these are in Celsius. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Okay, look. You can change them. I love it. I actually sent pictures of this to my sisters, and people want to buy it off of me because when they looked, it wasn't in stock. So this is our new wine fridge. We haven't installed it where we're gonna actually put it at yet, but we've been giving it a little testing right here in the kitchen. We put a bottle of our wine in here. Each drawer pulls in and out. The drawers are also removable for larger sized wine bottles. There is temperature control for the top and the bottom. And there is also a Celsius and Fahrenheit. There's also lights. And it locks right here. We got keys. And apparently there's different temperatures for wine, which is why the bottom and top section doesn't reach the same temperatures. It runs really quietly. It chills the wine perfectly. And it hasn't even made a difference in my power bill at all.